Hi, this is Ron. Just your update. Today we traded into Vodacom at 115 rands, and you can clearly see why we did this. We've had a nice pullback here due to the government getting involved and saying they're going to change the rates or fix the rates, or now the guys from competitiveness or whatever the case. Now if you look at this situation, it doesn't matter what you fix the rates at. People are still going to spend their money on their phones. So it really doesn't make a difference whether the call costs 1 rand or 50 cents. People will still have a budget, they'll still spend that money, and they'll still spend it at Vodacom. So there's no doubt that this is still a very strong share with a lot of future in it. And it ran that high in the first place, and I don't see why it can't go back there. Now if you look at the technical issues on this thing, you can see that the oscillators are grouping at the bottom. You can see your RSI is at the bottom, confirming everything, and your slow stochastic is crossing, and she's starting to move up again. And you can see there's been a little bit of a bounce here today where she started to go up again. Now if you look at this, you've got a resistance at 113. You've got a sort of resistance at 116, or a support, sorry, at 113, a support at 116 where she came down. She went through the support at 116, but if you look, she's starting to turn around, she's starting to confirm. If she goes through this 116, then she's going back up to the support at 123, or resistance at 123.90. So there you can see you've got a nice little situation there. Now if you look at the trend line up here, she trended through, she broke through the trend at 119, which was not a good sign. But if you take the straight lines, the straight trends, 116, although she's come through here, I don't think she's going to break much further. It looks like she's going to turn and go back up to 116. Now you'll see that I've put a stop loss at 109 rand on this share, 109 rand 25 to be exact, because there's a support here at 108, could be 109. I've put it at 108 rand. Now that is quite dangerous if it breaks through that, because you don't know where it's going if she goes through there. So I've put a stop loss at 109. I'm actually a bit concerned even if she goes through 113, but it looks to me like she's going to turn here. It looks like we've got a nice little play here, so she might go back up to about 123, and we can make a tidy quick profit on this one. The confirmation for this is if you look at everything grouping at the bottom here, every time they group, you'll see that she turns and goes up. Anytime there's no grouping there, there's a group there. You can see there's a nice move upwards there. So there's a good chance we're going to get a slight move up here. I wouldn't wait all the way to 123. Let's see what happens, and we'll monitor it for you and see how you go. Good luck with your trading. Until next time.